am standing on the north side of B Street in between 9th and 8th in a very familiar setting because we were just here at my favorite new Bosa luxury high-rise currently under construction. Andia, not Andia, apparently. If you saw my last video, it is Andia. So whoever commented Andia, even though it's spelled the same, you're correct. But the reason why we're back here so soon is we're now 4 stories above ground, which is very exciting for everyone speaking in this video to you right now. But also, just yesterday, I was invited to their very first brokers open. The sales gallery opened up in Diego down the street. They opened it up to the top producers downtown San Diego, or top agents of downtown San Diego. Luckily, I was invited. It was exciting to meet the sales team, most of them who I'm friends with and I know really well. But what's great is we have floor plans, we have prices, we have updates to the building. It is 399 condos. It is 40 stories tall. The pool is on the 3rd or 5th floor. I'm drawing a blank right now, but it is a 15,000 square foot pool area with a couple hot tubs and a very large pool. It looks amazing. It looks awesome. I saw renderings of the gym. It is an outdoor gym, which is super exciting. I saw renderings of the rooftop sky lounge and sky bar, which has views for days because it is on the 40th floor. And what's great is if you live on the top floor, there's only a couple residences up there because again, half the floor is a common area for the people. So you're not gonna have a lot of neighbors up there. They are gonna have 1 bedrooms, they are gonna have 2 bedrooms, and they are gonna have 3 bedrooms. But what's really cool is that there are some 3 bedrooms that are gonna have 3 full baths. Not 2 baths, not 2.5 baths, 3 full baths, which is really incredible. Now, for the stuff that you want to hear, I found out that the 1 bedrooms will be starting in the high 500s. The high 500s get you into a luxury high-rise Bosa building. And this is gonna be resort style at its finest. That's why I put on my resort style. I'm on vacation with my, I was told winter palm trees. It's really nice though. I know we're coming to summer. It's not one of them hyper-color shirts, so yes, they are just blue. Here we are. But wearing my resort style sweater, which is really comfortable even in this heat. But anyway, and the 3-bed, 3 baths on the higher floor are gonna be anywhere upwards of $1.8, $1.9 million. What I learned is they're not gonna be doing any retail on the ground floor here, which is kind of really interesting. It's the first time that a new luxury high-rise building will not have retail on the ground floor in a handful of years. But what they're gonna be doing is live, work, lofts, which is really kind of cool. We only have a handful of buildings with live, work, lofts in them, so you can actually live where you work and have your storefront open up to B Street and either 8th or 9th. I'm not sure which side they're gonna be on because one of the sides will have a resort style pull into the parking garage where you can pull over, drop stuff off into the lobby, and then continue on into the parking garage. The live work lofts are gonna be starting somewhere in the low 1 millions, will be anywhere from 900 and change square feet all the way up to 1100 and change square feet. The square footage, I believe the 1 bedrooms are gonna be somewhere in the 600 square feet plus range, and the 3-bed, 3 baths are gonna be 1700 plus square feet. So those are things that we know, which we didn't know before. Live work lofts, we know the square footage, anywhere from 650 onwards up to 1700 plus. We are looking at a high 500s base range all the way up to high 1.8s and everything there in between. The HOAs are going to be in the low 1100s upwards to 1350, 1360, which for a high amenity building is pretty on par these days. Actually, this is kind of a little bit low for what I've seen the other luxury high-rises doing. I don't know why I just keep holding this up like I'm fangirling out, but here we are. It's just so exciting to finally be holding this and have the information to give to you. What's really interesting too is not all of the condos come with parking. So if you're on a lower floor, if you have a 1 bedroom, get in early, call me. I can get you on the waiting list. I know the sales team, I know the sales leader, I know the sales associates. We can get you in early and we can negotiate a parking spot for you. What also that they're doing for $7,500, if you did get a parking spot or do have a parking spot, you can install your own EV charger that BOSA will do for a $7,500 fee. They should be starting to go on sale in the next couple months with a date of 2027 for grand opening. And so if you are interested, there 5% of the purchase price is due at the offer, and then another 5% deposit is due before the end of March 2026. So it gives you some time to get in, gives you some time to think about it, and then put in another 5% deposit, which again, if you change your mind, is fully refundable. You wouldn't be losing anything, but at least you'd be able to reserve your spot into BOSA's new luxury high-rise, which again is pretty affordable. And if you want parking, you have to get in early. I don't think I mentioned this in my last video, but I totally forgot. On the C Street corridor where the trolley is from 9th to 8th is going to be an open park where BOSA and the city of San Diego are working together to develop what goes into the park. There are really no plans yet, except for it's going to be grass, it's going to be open, it's going to be gated because we're learning that we need to gate our parks for nighttime. And it's going to be beautiful. And you know what? On the trolley line with an open park is just going to be great. So again, just to recap, we have 40 stories. We have 399 condos. HOAs are between 1,100 and 1,300 and change. Pricing for the 1-bedroom starts in the high 500s, goes all the way up to the high 1.8s for the 3-bed, 3-baths on the higher floors. Square footage wise, we're looking at $650 for the 1-bedrooms, upwards of 1,700 plus square feet. For the 3-bed, 3-baths, we have a ginormous 15,000 square foot pool area. We have an indoor-outdoor gym. We have a sky lounge. We have a sky bar. We have a craft room. We have a coffee station area. We have a drop-off point that's going to live like a hotel that takes you right to your lobby. What we don't have is plenty of parking for everyone. So again, call me, get in there early. I can't emphasize that enough, how important I feel parking is in downtown San Diego. You may not drive a lot, but you're gonna need somewhere to park that bad boy. We're gonna have a park on C Street, and we're just gonna have a beautiful luxury high-rise from San Diego's #1 developer in an area that hopefully this is the catalyst that's really gonna be the anchor and the snowball effect for more luxury high-rises and fun things to do in this part of East Village. My name is David Spiewak, Epique Realty, your go-to guy for all things San Diego, including insider news on new luxury high-rises to get you in, to get you the condo that you want with the developer and the sales associate team, which I know very well. And I guess that is real estate. Hey, how's it going? Talking about that bad boy, because they just opened their sales gallery, so we got pricing and everything on it.
Oh, you got it? So he emailed me, but I'm going to talk to you about it.
That you will. I got it all. We'll talk tomorrow when I see you.
Oh, I'm excited.
Now you're
There it is.
now you're on his YouTube channel.
Right.
All right, David, he's my agent. He
Right.
knows all the great deals and is in first in all the best places.
Oh, I love it.
Yes, woo, so do we.
What's your name?
Robin Spencer.
Thank you. So famous you are.
So that's just perfect timing. If my ears correctly, they're coming from there.
Yeah. Wow, you're psychic. You're psychic too.